Hi, I'm Alex who makes potions. Clients often find me. Say what products you can make. I also often tell clients, all products of our hydrogen cyanic acid series can be made. Let me share with you today. What are hydrocyanic acid series products? If you've seen my video before, I mentioned it in the Indonesia issue. How about the industrial development of Indonesia? Imperfect. Their industrial system is incomplete, so there will be a lot of intermediate links. There's no way it fits together. For example, maybe he produced it at a certain step. He has byproducts. There is no way to do further processing. Just throw it away. But what? We in China have the most complete industrial system. So the hydrogen cyanic acid series products, we're going to extract its hydrocyanic acid. This is the source of all products. What about hydrocyanic acid? From the byproducts in the production process of acrylonitrile. What products can we get through acrylonitrile? First, on the first product line, hydrocyanic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide. We can get sodium cyanide in water, and sodium cyanide. It is one of our core products at present. It's gold mining. Among the various extraction methods of carbon pulp and heap leaching tanks, an indispensable gold selecting potion. So that's it. Our company will cooperate with this industry. There will be a closer connection. Therefore, some mineral pharmaceuticals will also dabble in. So after hydrogen cyanide produces sodium cyanide, sodium cyanide can be used to extract gold, and sodium cyanide, if it continues to be produced, reaction of sodium cyanide and ferrous sulfate, sodium xanthate can be produced. Sodium ferricyanide. What about the product yellow blood salt sodium? It can be used as a photosensitive material, wash bleach fixer. It can also be used as a color additive fiber treatment agent, cosmetic additives and food additives. It's very versatile. It is already a product of fine chemicals, especially through sodium xanthate. We can also use it with iron salt solution, sodium hydroxide, sodium sulfate, ferric sulfate, after a series of reaction processes. It can also generate another fine chemical product. It's Prussian blue tweed. In addition to being used as a pigment, it can also be used as an antidote to heavy metals. It can detoxify some radioactive elements. It can also solve the toxicity of heavy metal elements such as copper, lead, and especially mercury. With the development of the new energy automobile industry in our country. Prussian blue. It can also be used as a cathode material for sodium-ion batteries. This is one of the downstream products of sodium cyanide. Then by reacting sodium hydride with chlorine gas, under the condition of carbon tetrachloride as a catalyst, can generate cyanogen chloride. Cyanogen chloride is then polymerized by high temperature. Cyanuric chloride can be generated. What about cyanuric chloride? It is an important intermediates in the pesticide industry. It is also the main raw material for dyes and fluorescent whitening agents. Cyanuric chloride can be used to make reaction dyes and reactive dyes which are used in the dye industry. How about in medicine? We can synthesize multiple drugs when used as an adjuvant. Can be used to synthesize textiles, shrinking agents and surfactants. For national defense, it can be used to make explosives. What about in the rubber industry? It can be used as an accelerator. So this starts with hydrocyanic acid, sodium cyanide products produced by hydrocyanic acid. We can also continue to produce yellow blood salt sodium, Prussian blue cyanuric chloride and other products. This is one of the production lines. And what about these products, except for sodium cyanide? In addition to the irreplaceable role of the mining industry, its other products can be widely used in multiple industries. It is an important raw material for other fine chemicals. The above is made of hydrogen cyanic acid as raw material, one of the product production process paths. What about through this process path? We can get, of course, the core sodium cyanide. Except for sodium cyanide, there are other downstream, sodium xanthate, cyanogen chloride, other important industrial raw materials such as Prussian blue. If you are interested in these products, or if you happen to need these products, you can contact us. What's next? We're talking about the second industrial path for hydrogen cyanide, byproduct of acrylonitrile. You can take a mixture of hydrogen cyanide. If this mixture is absorbed by an aqueous solution of sulfuric acid, to remove ammonia from the mixture, and then you cool it down to get liquid hydrocyanic acid, then an aqueous solution of formaldehyde containing the catalyst. Further processing, we can get another important industrial raw material. It's called hydroxyacetanil. What about the product hydroxyacetanil? It can also be widely used in dyes, pesticides and medicines, electroplating food and other industries. It is also in fine chemicals, a very important basic raw material. Further, hydroxyacetanil as raw material by condensation reaction, then hydrolyzed under alkaline conditions. We can get sodium alkali salicylate. This is sarcosine. In the field of biochemistry and organic synthesis, sarcosine is an important intermediate. Due to its solubility and ionization, thermal stability and optical activity and photochemical optical widely activity used in biochemical research and organic chemistry. In addition to that, in the field of sports nutrition, sarcosine is also a very important ingredient. It boosts ATP production, enhances muscle mass, promotes muscle repair, is to make sport supplements, and key ingredients in muscle building products. How about in the medical field? Sarcosine not only enhances muscle strength, it's also used in the treatment of neurological disorders. It will improve the quality of life of patients. What else? Sarcosine can also be used in the field of skincare products. Can enhance skin cell energy, boosts collagen production, improves skin elasticity in industrial supplies, daily chemicals, healthcare products, food, tobacco, feed. Sarcosine is also an important raw material, and after sarcosine, we can do that by further processing of sarcosine. You get creatine. Creatine is also widely used in the construction industry. It can improve the durability and crack resistance of the material, etc. It can also be used in cosmetics, moisturizing, anti-aging and enhancing skin elasticity. It can also be used as a food additive. Can improve taste. This is mainly used in meat products, beverages and condiments. How about in medicine? It can be used as an energy substance, used to treat muscle diseases, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and so on. What about other industries? It can also be used for dye coatings, plant feed and other fields, has enhanced dye stability, improved coating adhesion, and the effect of promoting plant growth. Therefore, through these two videos, I introduced you to the raw material of hydrogen cyanic acid. It has two different production paths, and through these two production routes, some of the main chemical raw materials we can obtain. These further fine chemical products. One of the important industrial raw materials for other final products. It's very versatile. So that's it. We can say it has sodium cyanide at its core, based in the mining industry. But what? Because of the problem of the production process path of laparinic acid, we will not be limited to. In the mining pharmacy industry, our products, it can serve a wide range of industries. So that's it. If you want to know more about hydrogen cyanide series products, or there is a need for this, you can contact me anytime.